Hey guys, hope you all are having a great day. So we're doing a road trip. We have passed through all of Wisconsin. We are passing through Chicago. We just passed Chicago O'Hare, passed through Chicago East Side, West Side, the suburbs. So you see, we're on the highway. So we're passing through Chicago to our final destination, wherever that may be.
Kennedy Express.
Stick around to find out our final destination. But see, Chicago.
Well, of course, we don't get Chicago traffic.
Chicago does have a lot of traffic, and the gas price in Chicago is $5 per gallon.
Right after 2 miles and continue on I-90 East.
In Wisconsin, it is $4 something, or mostly $4 and change. Minnesota is $3.99. Not sure what the gas price is in your neck of the woods, so leave a comment in a comment section. Let us know what y'all paying for gas in your state. Currently we're paying $3.99 a gallon. So yep, here is the highway. See, it's a train station here in Chicago.
On the highway, the train
On the
station.
highway.
Yep.
Folks are waiting. This is in a place called Irving Park. Folks are waiting.
You can
The
show them the
train.
city up there. It's foggy. You can't see it, but
It's
really
It's foggy, so visibility is not that good today. All throughout the trip, it's been, foggy, and so, but it's clearing up now. It's getting better, but still very much foggy and not too much visibility ahead. See?
Right after 1 mile and continue on I-90 East.
Got this?
yeah.
Yeah. A lot of traffic on this highway because it's a big city. You'll find similar traffic in New York and LA and some other big cities, San Francisco, or California in general. There's always a lot of traffic. So if you're familiar with California,